Dracaena lemon lime versus lemon surprise. I found Dracaena lemon lime to be a refreshing addition to my collection, with its vibrant green and yellow striped leaves adding a lively touch to my space. On the other hand, Dracaena lemon surprise caught my attention with its unique variegation and bright, lemony hues, which brought a zesty contrast to my indoor garden, standing out beautifully among other plants. See more 198 species in genus Dracaena at monsteraholic.com. How big do lemon lime Dracaena get? Lemon lime Dracaena fragrans lemon lime, can grow to a height of 5 to 7 feet indoors and can reach up to 10 feet or more when grown outdoors in ideal conditions. The plant has a moderate growth rate and can be managed to a desired height with regular pruning. How to care for Dracaena lemon lime. Here's a guide to keep your Dracaena lemon lime thriving indoors. Light. Medium to bright indirect light is ideal. This will promote healthy growth and maintain the vibrant colors in the leaves. Avoid strong direct sunlight, especially during the hottest parts of the day, as it can scorch the leaves. Lower light can be tolerated, but the variegation, stripes, may become less pronounced and the plant might grow leggy. Watering. Water regularly, allowing the top inch of soil to dry out completely between waterings. Overwatering is a major threat to Dracaena lemon lime. These plants prefer slightly moist soil, but not soggy roots. Sticking your finger into the soil to check moisture is a good practice. Underwatering is better than overwatering, as the plant can recover more easily. Humidity. Dracaena lemon lime tolerates average household humidity levels. While it won't suffer in typical conditions, it can benefit from increased humidity, especially during dry spells or winter months. You can increase humidity by misting the plant occasionally with lukewarm water, avoiding the center of new growth. Using a pebble tray filled with water, ensure the pot sits above the water level. Grouping your Dracaena lemon lime with other humidity-loving plants. Using a humidifier. Temperature. Warm temperatures between 60 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 to 27 degrees Celsius, are ideal. Protect your plant from cold drafts and sudden temperature fluctuations. Soil and potting. A well-draining potting mix is essential. A standard potting mix with added perlite or orchid bark for extra drainage works well. You can also use a commercially available aroid mix. Ensure your pot has drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Fertilizing. Fertilize sparingly during the growing season, spring and summer, only. Apply a balanced liquid fertilizer diluted to half strength once a month or a slow-release fertilizer formulated for houseplants according to package instructions. Avoid over-fertilizing, as it can damage the roots. Additional tips. Wipe the leaves occasionally with a damp cloth to remove dust and improve light absorption. Avoid harsh chemicals or cleaning products. Dracaena lemon lime is a relatively slow grower. Don't be discouraged if it doesn't put out new leaves frequently. Patience is key. Watch out for common houseplant pests like mealybugs and spider mites. Neem oil solution or insecticidal soap can be used for control. Pruning is generally not necessary but can be done to maintain size and shape or remove leggy growth. Use sharp, sterilized pruning shears to make clean cuts. Is Dracaena lemon lime toxic to cats? Yes, Dracaena lemon lime is toxic to cats. If ingested, it can cause symptoms such as vomiting, drooling, and loss of appetite. It's important to keep this plant out of reach of pets to avoid accidental ingestion. Can a Dracaena lemon lime kill a dog? While Dracaena lemon lime is toxic to dogs and can cause symptoms like vomiting, depression, lack of appetite, and drooling, it is unlikely to be fatal unless consumed in large quantities. If you suspect your dog has ingested Dracaena, contact your veterinarian immediately. How much does a Dracaena lemon lime cost? The cost of a Dracaena lemon lime can vary depending on the size and where you purchase it. Small plants or cuttings can be found for around $10 to $20, while larger, more established plants can cost $50 to $100 or more. How often to water Dracaena lemon lime? Water your Dracaena lemon lime when the top 1 to 2 inches of soil feel dry to the touch. Typically, this means watering every 1 to 2 weeks. Adjust the frequency based on the temperature, humidity, and light conditions in your home. How to prune Dracaena lemon lime. To prune Dracaena lemon lime. Use clean, sharp scissors or pruning shears. Cut back any leggy or overgrown stems to the desired height. Remove any yellowing or damaged leaves. Prune in the spring or early summer to encourage new growth. After pruning, new shoots will emerge just below the cut, making the plant fuller and bushier.